Hi all, very good morning. Today our topic is how to create Windows Server performance testing report. Okay, how to create Windows Server performance testing report. Okay, why I need to explain this Windows Server performance testing report, right? The major intention I'm already past 2 years I'm working on only from agent performance testing only. Maybe anybody you able to get a chance in working to the agent performance testing, right? At that time, how what type of servers you able to validate and what type of agents are available, how you need to run the test, and how you need to what are the monitoring tools used, and at the same time, what is the way you need to collect the report and present to the client, right? The process, general process today I'm explaining. Okay, first one, what are the server side types? Server types, Windows servers total it's already available 20 servers. Okay, 20 Windows servers, same 20 Linux servers, Mac also 20, and IBM AIX, okay, HP UX, and Solaris server. It's all same type of Linux format only. Okay, total 20 servers. Whenever you will start the agent validation, right, the agents are this one. Okay, agents is one is a tripwire agent, FireEye agent, syslog agent, guardian agent. Database is one of the toughest agent you need to installation and the same time validation also. It's a different process totally. And the LSO agent. Okay, these agents, why you need to install to the agents in server, right? The server security purpose, these agents will be installed, and these agents that keep on it's a scanning to the entire server and providing to the protection and security of the firewall security level it's working. Okay, at the same time these applications, right, these agents, it's very costly and it's totally licensed agents only. Okay, whenever something you need to changes will be done on the trip, example, you need to take the tripwire agent, right? The tripwire agent, when you need to install to the in server, you need to collect the metrics before installation and after installation, and you need to compare to the before install, after install there is any deviation, otherwise performance degradations. Okay, anything will be happen, right? You need to immediately need to inform. Okay, the reason whenever you will test to the first server, Windows server only will deployed. Okay, still you have any issue means directly it's not able to install to the production level. Okay, production never touch. First you need to install to the pre-prod enrollment, just one server only available, that is also Windows server only. Okay, Windows 2012 R2. Okay, that is the server name, Windows server. Whenever you need to install to the Windows server and you need to do the validation, everything it looks fine, no issue. Okay, that time this servers all everything in production only. Okay, and at the same time, who are the person you need to working to the agent performance testing, right? You will provide the production access also, but you do not have any delete that type of rights, only read write access only available. Okay, you need to start the validation total. You can see Windows servers 2020 total, right? It's almost 120 servers you need to validate, only one person only. There is no, it's not available any team or anybody, it's not available, only one person only need to do. And time also it's provide almost 20 to 25 days only will give it. Okay, not more than. Okay, that reason you need to quickly need to validate. But each server, right, it's images available, some images, image based only, what are the configurations will be did and what is the expected and what is the actual, that is only you need to do the validation. And agent before install, after install, how the performance will be means how the performance is looking now. Okay, based on that one you need to give the judgment, it's able to everything it's okay or acceptable, otherwise it's a rejected. Okay, that based only you need to validate. And all types of servers, right, it's a one server, different types of commands you need to use, and different way of format you need to do the validation, right? That reason today I will show you just whenever you need to done the validation, right, server level, how you need to prepare the report for agent performance testing. Okay, Today I will show. In agent performance testing tools, right, the tool name called IVT, Infrastructure Validation Toolkit. Okay, this is the internal validation, that servers only. Our company servers only, right? You need to validate. That reason it's called IVT, Infrastructure Validation Toolkit. This tool, what you need to do, right? It will generate to the 50% of CPU, 50% of memory. Example, CPU is totally 1 second. Uh, okay, 50% CPU and memory also you can see 50%. 50% will be generated. Okay, whenever you need to install any application, anything you need to run, right, something memory will be consumed. That purpose if this tool only will generate it to the in server, 50% CPU, 50% memory will be generated. Okay, how the real applications you need to work in time, it will be created. Okay, this is also one type of load testing tool only, but it's also one of the licensed tool. Okay, one time you need to generate it the 50% right. This is the something application you need to running. That time how much memory will be took, right, same type only it will be generated in server. That time agent before install and after install, how we need to performance will be going on. Okay, 1 or 2 times you did this validation, right, you can easily get judgment. Okay, another one, monitoring tools. The monitoring tools, Windows OS Perpmon only, it's not provide any specific monitoring tool. Okay, CPU sorry, Perpmon tool only will provide it. There is no other tool. And each server you need to run the 1 hour duration load test. Okay, 1 hour run the test, and you need to collect the all the metrics, right, one by one. It will take very too much time will be taken and running so many servers, right. That is beyond your practice only. you know Example, Windows server, how we need to validate the process, way of running the test, way of getting the collecting the results, before and after, how we need to do everything. That is beyond practice only you able to understand how we need to proceeding. But just I am providing the overview only. Okay, final, this is the testing tool and this is the server, right. Final one, Windows server performance testing report, final validation report you need to prepare. Okay, this is the overview tool. Okay, mainly agent performance testing, right. Some people you need to running the window batch files also. Okay, you have anything idea about that one, you can easily understand window batch files. Otherwise, this is the tool IVT. Please do not search to the Google. Okay, IVT it's not available, I am already checked this one. Okay, IVT is different company only. DTCC, the organization is DTCC. Okay, it's a stock market related company, Depository Trust Clearing Corporation. This company only will be developed this IVT tool. Okay. This project, what are the projects purpose only is keep on using. Okay, same types of infrastructure validation toolkit tools, it's available in market. Okay, mainly it's working on only for agent performance testing. Okay. Okay, now we need to check to the how we need to prepare the report. Okay, this is one report only. You can see first one is the project code. Okay, 112295 server as www.inq0213 after Windows server. Okay, Windows server performance testing report. Okay, this is the report. Just a minute, I missed out some servers. This is a one different server, this one cloud server. Okay, there is no any name, it's a cloud only. Cloudera Impala server. This is only one server only, no other. After Android and iOS mobiles. This is also 2. Okay, this is Android mobile, iOS mobile also. You need to install the agents and you need to validate. Okay, these are the servers, these are the agents available, and tools, right? This is the load testing tool, sorry, tool name load test tool. Okay, load test tool name. Monitoring tool is the perpmon, and you need to finally need to create the report, right? This is the report. Okay, this is the Windows performance testing report. Remaining reports now I am not able to provide. It's a different OS, right? That reason I am not able to provide, but just I will provide it to the Windows server, right? It's very easy. Just you can check it, how you need to use, how you need to import it to the perpmon in different servers, how you need to import and you need to use, right? Example, Linux servers, you need to use the commands only. There is no any manual process, right? And the Solaris is different. Every server is different way you need to use that one. Okay, now I will show you that one. You can see, guys. Okay, this is the final first dashboard one. Okay, and the agent called Tripwire. Full name Tripwire Oxon. Tripwire Oxon agent test report. Server name is SWWINQ0213 Windows Server performance test report. Okay, these are the parameters: IVT CPU load, IVT memory load, how much MB, how many GB. Okay, CPU usage average, memory usage average, disk utilization average, network utilization bytes in, network utilization bytes out. Okay, TW agent means tripwire. TW means tripwire. Tripwire agent process utilizations, IVT operations for milliseconds. Okay, now you can see there are 4 columns, right? First, run 1 server baseline, run 2 IVT baseline, run 3 agent load test, run 4 agent plus IVT load test. Okay, how you need to collect this metrics, right? First one, whenever you need to coming the request to the um, in agent performance testing, that time he will share the email. This is the time I will start the install agent is installed. This is the specific time before you need to collect the what are the metrics you need to do, you can proceed it. Okay, that request whenever you come, right? First run is all servers, all operating servers, you need to log in. You need to log in just without running anything. Okay, this is a very important point. Without running anything, just you need to collect to the 1 hour. You can see time slot. Example, 6/27/2020 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. means 1 hour duration, right? 1 hour duration without running any application means the server fully ideal. The server is fully ideal. He did not use any application or any agents, nothing else. Server is empty. That time, what is the utilizations? Server also something hardware you need to use, right? That reason, that matrix. The empty server, what are the utilizations will be done? CPU, memory, network, disk, agent, remaining things. How much you need to utilize it? You need to capture it. All servers, not only one server. I am showing only one. Okay, all servers. Windows servers 20, Linux 20, remaining everything 2020. Okay, Cloudera only one, and Android mobile and iOS mobile both are 2. Okay, everything empty servers, you need to collect the results. Mobiles also, mobile and Cloudera is a different format, and another one it's available. Sorry, missing that one also. Okay, it's a ninth one. It's a laptop. Okay, final 10th one is a desktop application. Okay, laptop and desktop also it's available. Okay, how you need to collect the metrics, right? Is both. Example, Cloudera, the permission it's given Germany. It's a Germany location available. Android and mobile application both are in Canada. Okay, laptop USA, same desktop also USA. It's everything, it's controlled almost our higher management. Okay, You need to request to the everybody whenever it required, right? The people will be um, the laptop is on, what you need to do, right? You can provide to the clear instructions. Based on that instruction, the people exact the time he will do it. Okay, that time only you able to log in. You need to log in immediately and you need to collect the results. Okay, that is the way you need to work. This is also one of the toughest task. Okay, maybe anybody in your future you able to get the agent performance testing, right? That time you able to understand how you need to able to do this work. Okay, after first one is server baseline, right? This server baseline, without running any application, the empty server only, how much of utilization will be taken, you need to collect the metrics all servers. After IVT baseline, IVT baseline means the infrastructure validation toolkit. Just you need to run 1 hour duration, 1 hour duration, generate the 50% CPU and memory utilization. Okay, and that time you need to collect the metrics. You can see run 1 and run 2, both server baseline, IVT baseline, before install the agent. This is very important point. Okay, before install the agent. Okay, before install the agent, right? You collect the all the metrics, everything your end is done. Now you need to send back same email to support team. You can proceed to the install the agent, right? The team will be take care remaining. It will take hardly um, around 4 to 5 days time will be taken. He will install. Once he will confirm, you can run the run 3 agent load test. Agent load test means what, which agent you installed. Now tripwire agent you need to install, right? The just tripwire agent 1 hour metrics only means you did not run any test. The name only will give an agent load test, but agent is now installed. Before it's not installed. Run 1, it's not installed. Run 3, agent is installed. Now you need to collect the metrics. Okay, run 4. Run 4 is agent is installed. You need to run the IVT load test. Okay, IVT means 1 hour duration. You need to run the test through IVT tool and generate the 50% CPU and memory. Now you need to collect the metrics. Finally, run 1 server baseline and run 3 agent load test. You need to compare it. Okay, you have a minimum changes, right? No issue. Otherwise the changes is very higher level memory utilization, and it's you will provided the clients will provided the almost it's already baselines, everything will be derived, right? Based on accept and rejection criteria, it's clearly provided. Okay, based on that one you can mark it, say green or yellow, red, everything marks you need to given. And after run 2 and run 4 IVT baseline agent plus IVT load test, you need to compare. Still you have a huge difference, right? Its will be performance will be degraded. Okay, this is one of the way. This is the way you need to compare the final test report and you need to judge the test, it's moving, it's acceptable or not. Okay, the test is acceptable, there is no any major changes, means there is no major difference, right? It's accepted, no issue. The clients also will pass this one. Maybe you have a issue, right? You need to report it everything to supporting team. He will drill down, you require any further changes, that is agent related or server related, or otherwise some servers how we need to react it, right? Windows, Linux, Mac servers is working fine, and IBM Solaris servers only the performance is degraded totally. That time remaining servers it's working fine, no issue, right? It's moving to the production and it's working, no issue. But the Solaris servers only will be investigate the issue. Okay, that is the way. Otherwise all the servers will be impacted, right? That time you need to return back to the means what are the changes will be done, right? He will remove that one and back to the application in all servers. Okay, that is the way you need to collect the results and compare the results. Based on the criteria you need to judge the pass or fail. Okay, this is the dashboard level. Another one, you can see every example run 1, run 2, run 3, run 4, right? Run 1 you can see server name and baseline. Okay, this is the baseline, right? How we need to create it, you can see tripwire Oxon agent test report run 1 server baseline. Without install any agent, server is empty. How we need to collect the results, right? Server baseline and time and server name, what is the CPU and memory utilization. Okay, this is the performance metrics only I am collecting. You can see CPU utilization how much. Okay, actually this is our local system, right? It did not available any tool, anything. You need to collecting exactly result. Okay, this is a general format I am creating. Okay, this is the way CPU will be look like. Okay, this is the memory utilization. You can see how much percentage will be took. Okay, disk. Okay, this is the disk utilizations. Network in, you can see whenever you come to the spike, right, the spike only performance issue, or you can call it as performance bottleneck. Okay, you did not come to the any spike. Okay, this is network in, this is network out. Okay, this is the finally tripwire agent process utilization, the way agent install, right, that time you able to get this mark. Okay, these are the components or services, or it's called as processes. Back end you need to running the processes, right? This is the process. Okay, now process metric details. You can see metric utilization, each process how much utilization will be done. Okay, this all the metrics based only you need to decide it to the entire agent installation is able to working as expected or not. That is the issue in server end, otherwise that is the issue for agent end. You need to decide that one, and you need to prove that one. That is very important. Okay, second one, IBT load. Example, almost all the test reports I am providing same only. Okay, the reason you do not have the tool, right, that reason. Okay, you can see. Okay, one or two time you run it, right, that time you also able to understand, but you need to get a chance. It's totally licensed tool, and most of the time the tools it's not available. That is the problem, but whenever you get a chance, right, um, you need to face some problems, but I will explain to the overall. Okay, this information based, whenever you get a chance, right, you able to easily need to handle the situation. Okay, okay, how you need to run, right, you can go to, just a minute, I will show you that one. You can go to the paint, maybe I will try that one, how you need to design. Example, uh, in tool point of view, right, this is the exactly tool. Okay, now how you need to design, right, the scenario. You can design, there is no any users, right, it's not available any users, only agent, right. IBT tool, the specific period, how you need to did the run the test, right. Okay, you need to run the longer duration. Long duration means 1 hour only. After same only the load test will be dropped down. Okay, this is the way only the test is executed. Okay, and whenever you need to run this test, right, that time you can easily capture to the test results also almost same way only coming. Example, now how I need to design this, mean this graph will be showing, right, the same way only whenever you need to going to the um, just a minute. Example, you can see everything it's an up and down, right. Mm, whenever you need to design the scenario, that time automatically the report also will came same way only, how you need to design to the in paint. Okay, this is the way only you need to come to the CPU. Not only CPU, memory, network, disk, everything in agent also you need to came that one. Okay, agent also you need to came. Okay, and whenever you need to run the test, right, the utilization is not this way, it's above 80-90% also. Okay, this is the way you need to design the test. But in future level, right, automatically you also you able to get the agent performance testing. You can see this is also one of the performance testing. Okay, okay, not only application load testings, the server validations also it's most important. And most of the big companies, right, it's almost using this agent performance testing also you need to use. Okay, That reason you need to be aware, right? You know the information how we need to do this one, you will be able to do easily. Okay, just in your free time, right, you will get any agent performance testing tools, you need to practice it. And these agents also available, you can go, I will show you that one. You can see you can see this is the agent. Yeah, this is the called Tripwire agent. You can see it's a company also, that one. Tripwire will provide the agent. Another one, FireEye. Okay, no, it's not this one. Okay, this is the FireEye agent. This is everything server related, right? And at the same time, the agent, it's a very small one. Okay, endpoint security level it's working, but it's very highly using for the server end security protocol. Okay, okay, this is the agent. You can see this is the FireEye agent. Okay, you can download that agents and you need to try to use it. Okay, and through Perpmon, just you can download the agent. Okay, before, and these tools, right, IVT tool, infrastructure validation toolkits also it's available. Okay, you can download any one of the tool, infrastructure tool. Okay, these tools also nowadays it's using the market. Okay, just you can download one tool. Okay, infrastructure validation toolkit tools, it's a very small tool. Okay, just you can download it. And in just your system only, you can think about this is a server. Okay, you need to collect the metrics through Perpmon. Agent install before, after IVT. Okay, before agent install, two steps. Okay, before installation you need to collect this matrix. After agent install means you can just download any one agent and you need to install. It's a very simple process. Okay, after you need to collect the matrix. Okay, this is just for overview about to the this agent's point of view. But whenever you need to coming to the real picture, right, you can see there are so many servers. Okay, it's almost you need to take 1 month time. 1 month also it's not sufficient. Okay, you need to working almost 9 hours per day, right? It's not sufficient, and most of the time you able to get a 2-3 persons it's available in your team. Yeah, you really great. Otherwise you only one person, it's too bad. I'm already facing this issue around 2 years. I'm working same work only, window uh, agent validations only. Okay, finally I am irritating and moving out to the company. Okay, after only it's releasing to me. Okay, but nowadays companies need to using this type of validation also it's using. Just I'm providing to the a general information to everyone. Okay, who are the people is interested, right, for agent validation, just you can use to the IVT tool and Perpmon. Okay, and just you can try one time your free time. You can how we need to install these tools and agents, how we need to collect the results, how we need to judge it's a pass or fail. Okay, that time you also able to get one idea. Okay, yeah, that's all guys, this video. Maybe this video anybody some idea about and some idea about to the how we need to do the um, agent performance testing, and the same time how to create the Windows Server performance testing reports. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's all guys today. I will connect to my next video. You have any doubts, just please comment me. Okay, based on your comments I will give it to my output. Yeah, thanks everyone, bye.